Whoops! Hi YouTubes! It's me, Randy, your favoriteest YouTuber on ever. A lot of people's asked me to make sound effects for their little YouTube's movie to make them better. So I'm gonna record a couple here for you on my dad's microphone thingy. Okay. So I'm gonna do the ones that you asked for a lot on this one, and if you like them, I'll do some more for you. Okay. So, sound effects number 1, a car. Hey, watch where you're going, you drunk driver. Sound effect number 2 that a lot of people ask me for is a gun effect, and I actually do a pretty good gun effect. Told ya. The next one a lot of people asks me for is punches. They ask me for punches, and I'm good at that one too. So this will make your YouTube video sound so good when you put this one in. Sorry, sometimes I move around when I do them. It just helps me get into the moment and do them really well. Okay. Garrett! You ruined my sound effects!
Randy! Even I can do better.
I guess that's all the sound effects is for this one. So let me know when you like them and what other sound effects you want me to do.
They don't want you to do any.